All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave price trigger reports. And this is going to be a quick one. As you know, it is a holiday week, so we got a shortened trading week. And I'm not expecting a whole lot of action, but we'll see what happens. So far in your bonds, TLT, the market did gap down today, and I'm expecting the market will back and fill before descending even lower. So the bear market is still alive and well in your bonds. Looking at the NASDAQ 100 by way of QQQ, you can see how this one gapped up as well from Friday's close. You need to back and fill, and I think this one, the market's going to use this as a springboard to get short again. But if it can get enough momentum behind it, then it is a possibility you can get back up to around the $300 mark before the market falls back down. But the bear market is, alive and well, and don't forget that. So a bear market rally is possible, but you still got this gap here that you need to contend with on your NASDAQ. Looking at the US dollar, you can see here by way of UUP, and the market gapped down today. So I'm expecting for this one to also back and fill, but on this one, the pullback is still, is still here. You just haven't made it official. So this one could reverse and get higher again, and you do have this bullish pointer here. Looking at the mighty Bitcoin futures, understand that gaps occur often because of how the crypto markets trade 24/7. This gap down was never filled, so the market could rally all the way back up here to fill closing gap before the market heads lower. It's just hard to say. Sometimes Humpty Dumpty falls off the wall and can't get back up. So we'll see if that's the case here. And then taking a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is kind of in the same boat here, but it's a little bit more flat than the Bitcoin is. You did have this rally alert from the prior trading session, but you're not really getting any upside production. And that's because this overhead selling is so powerful in the crypto space. You can even see a similar thing going on with Litecoin. You did get some upside production, but it's really slow and muted, and you just got enough to fill this gap here. But there's a lot of overhead selling in these crypto spaces, so I'm not expecting a whole lot on a shortened trading week. Taking a look at commodities by ticker DBA, now you can see how it's slid pretty heavily as well. The selling is coming across the board. I'm not really concerned with the commodity space because, as you know, that's going to be the place to be in the near future. Even the gold miners, not exempt from being in this red market, in this bear market. You have this consolidation with a slightly bullish bias. You're not really getting any upward momentum, even from the rally alert. The markets are falling and having a hard time getting back up. Even taking a look at the Russell, ticker is IWM, the Russell My Hustle. It's trying to get something going here. If it can keep this going up, it'll fill this gap from back here, and that'll put it maybe around 175 to 180. But if the bears let it get there, just understand they're just waiting, and they're going to smack it right back down again. You are in a bear market on the daily charts across the board, so tread lightly. The pulse waves are up, and the dashboard has been updated. And I just finished doing the trade journal for tonight on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Last but not least, the euro yen is the only bright spot, and the fact that it's rallying is saying that the stock market may be ready to strengthen and start trending higher yet again. But you can't ignore this bearish pointer right here staring you in the face either. So I don't know how much higher it's going to run, but this bearish pointer at some point will need to be reconciled, ladies and gentlemen. All right, just saying. And then you got one way back here too, from March the 7th of 2022. So between this point here and this point here, it could be spelling some short-term doom coming in the space. I don't know. It's a wild year. All I say is just follow the system and you'll be fine. All right, just follow the methodology. Don't try to overthink it or outthink it. Just be mechanical and you should be fine. All right. Trade what you see, not what you think. And with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.